Hello and welcome to the hair tutorial for Alcyone. To jump right in, we're just going to get the little bit of the top part of the hair, the top section, and we're going to turn that into a little half up, half down ponytail. Next, we're going to do this thing that I'm sure maybe you've seen on Pinterest, where you make a little section in the middle and then you flip the little ponytail through the section you opened inside out, kind of. You're just going to flip it around. So that little hole that I just made, you put the ponytail inside and flip it around. So now you have this cute little twisty half up, half down hairdo. Next, we're going to grab sections of hair that are underneath the ponytail we just made on each side of the head, and we're placing these sections over the ponytail into another little ponytail. And now we're going to do what we just did with our first little ponytail, and we're going to do a little flipperoo around again, creating the little twist. The next step is to create one large braid using all of the hair that is left over. Now, using that braid, we're going to create almost like a bun, and we're going to twist it up and bobby pin it into place. I know you're going to have a much easier time with this hairstyle than I did with this wig, because this wig had a lot of hair and it was very long, so I know you're going to have a much easier time. Just make sure to really securely pin everything to place, especially since there's a lot of dancing, a lot of movement. You don't want your hair to be flopping everywhere in the middle of doing something. But hopefully with a good handful of bobby pins and a good bit of patience and confidence, you'll be able to do this quite successfully. Once your hair is secured in place, you're now ready for Act 1 of the show. For Act 2, all that you're going to need to do is take out all of the bobby pins and take out the braid. Give your hair a little bit of a brush through, and that will be your hair for Act 2.